I go here and I select this place to use justify tool to teach you about this and what is the work of this tool. And I use this example for you. I use cancel these three ducts and I change the size of this one duct temporarily to see the connection better. You can draw a duct with non-alignment. Okay, use finished. For these are not aligned. I select both of them again, justify. You can use these options, middle right, finished. Exactly, it works like the alignment. And you have the control point option too. Use the align. Our control point doesn't work here. And next tool is change type. When you select more than one duct, this is not possible to change the type of all ducts except you use these two. For example, I want to change the type of these to round shape. This is not enable. But when you select one type, this is enabled. I use the round shape, but when you select one, you can change the type. But if it is more than one, you must just use this tool. This is very useful and important. And our next option is reapply type. We supposed to for example, you have a lot of knee connection type and you want to select all of them. I mean elbow. For example, our radius is 1.5 times of our diameter, but I want to select 1 times of diameter. You select create similar and change the direction. I want to make its size equal to width. Edit and change the elbow to round elbow 1D. It's not changed. If you want to change it, you have to select all, go to selection filter, you have duct fittings, okay, and use reapply type. So all the elbow fittings have changed with each other. You can do this for other parts. Our next tool is We talked about cap open ends before, and you can add insulation here to add insulation. If your desired insulation have not exist here, you can go here and create new one, use duplicate, and find and select your insulation here and change its properties and input the thickness of the insulation. For example, I use half an inches. They have the insulation now. When you go to 3D view, you can see it better than before. Our material is transparent. You can select other types. Now we go to next tool. Now we want to remove it. How we can do this? This is for edit the insulation. For example, duct wrap, and change the type of the insulation, or remove the insulation. Answer the prompt with yes, and add lining. And these are for the insulation which are inside the ducts. Add lining. I use the default, and or you can add the new type, and it has roughness because it uses the inside the duct. And remove insulation. This is the insulation which were inside the ducts. And we talked about these other options. And what is the show related warnings? You can see the errors that are active. You can see the errors here and what is the error. This is the explanation of after drawing tools.